A question I hear a lot on my channel is whether or not you can stack Xbox Live Gold codes. The answer is definitely yes, you can use more than one Xbox Live Gold code at a time. But there are limitations. So if you have multiple Xbox Live Gold cards, you can just enter them into your Xbox account by selecting the Redeem a Code button. Each code you enter will add the amount of time indicated on the card. So if I add a 1-year Gold subscription to my account, my current expiration date will be moved from May of 2019 to May of 2020. If I add one more, the expiration date will be extended out to 2021. But here's where you might run into an issue. While you're allowed to stack multiple Xbox Live Gold cards, you can only accumulate up to 3 years of gold in your account at any one time. So maybe you receive several gold cards for your birthday, for example. You'll only be able to enter gold codes until you're up to or just under 3 years, depending on how much gold you have left. The same goes for Xbox Game Pass codes too. 3 years is the most Game Pass you can have on your account at any one time. And as for your leftover codes, save them until you're able to add them to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.